Hi everybody, and welcome to another presentation from Brown's Autos down here in Brighton and Hove. Today with a 2018 18 plate Toyota CHR 1.8 Petrol XL CVT automatic, finished in metallic silver with upgraded partial leather interior in brown. Car's done 84,500 miles and comes with full up-to-date Toyota service history, having 8 services in total, with the most recent service to be done this coming Thursday, which will be the 9th of April. Car also comes with a March 2027 MOT with no advisories. As you can see, this car is in really great condition and drives excellently. Finance is available on this car. Please check out our website www.browns-autos.co.uk. You'll find a finance calculator where you can pay with the deposit and length of term. And if you're happy with the base rate quote, you can then further apply by pressing the apply button. If you do apply for finance, please be aware that the quote comes back to you is subject to change. This is due to your current circumstances and your credit profile. And any finance deal we do is a commission-based deal. We can reserve this lovely CHR for as little as £100. You can do this by pressing the reservation button on the website and following the steps, or you can give us a call on 01273 499 610 and paying by card over the phone. Once you've done that, the car comes for sale for up to 5 working days. Come down and don't like the car, you'll get your money back. Come down and love it, which you think you will, the money comes off the balance. But failure to show cancelling will result in you losing your £100 deposit, so please be aware of that before making it. That all being said and done, we've got 18-inch multi-spoke diamond cut alloys. Alloys are in really great nick. There's a couple little marks around the edges, nothing major. Disc and pads are looking fairly new on the front. Tyre tread depths are looking good. Does have front and rear sensors, does have self-parking on this, does have daytime running lights. Being a hybrid, this is in hybrid mode at the minute, so it's not, the engine's not running, so it doesn't need to start. But you can see the condition of this car is beautiful, nice and clean front end, light units working correctly as they should. This car has been total car checked and experience checked via Auto Trader, so it's clear from any finance or accidents. Really, really nice car, this one. Look down the driver's side, nice clean lines, nothing to mention there, no evidence of any dents, paints or scratches. Come around to the driver's side alley, again there's a little bit of corrosion around the edges, but nothing major. Disc and pads once more looking good, and then the tyre tread depths are looking good. Come down the driver's side now. Does have privacy glass, as you can see, but there's no major dents, marks or scratches on this. It's a really nice and clean and tidy car. Fantastic lines, really good looking car this. Driver's side rear alloy again, nothing to mention here. Disc and pads are looking good once more, and loads of tread on the tyre. It does have reversing sensors, does have a rear view camera. No, clean on that corner as well. Nothing to mention on the roof. Lights are working correctly also. Look down the passenger side, nice clean lines down the passenger side. Come to this back again. Driver's side, passenger side rear again, alloy looking good, disc and pads are looking good, and plenty of tread on the tyre. This car is £200 a year to tax. It's ULEZ compliant, obviously being a hybrid, and it's Group 14E insurance. You'll get 6 months AA warranty at £1,000 a claim and limited amount of claims in that period. You can extend that from 6 to 12 months, 24 or 36 months, and you can raise the claim limit from 1,000 to 2, 3 or 5,000 or point of sale. This obviously costs you more money, but we do offer fantastic rates for our warranties, so please ask about one of the cheapest in the country. Also, you will get 12 months AA roadside assist included in the price. Come inside, we've got 4 electric windows, window locks, electric mirrors, folding, both sides working. Then you've got this part leather, part brown leather and cloth seating. No rips, no tears, no stains, as you would expect. Put these windows down so you can see inside here. Door cards looking nice and clean. Does have Isofix fixings in the rear. Does have 3 seat belts, but as you can see, there's no rips, no tears, no stains. Very, very clean interior. Partial leather. And then you've got the ebony roof lining as well. No marks to mention there. Come around this side, and again, nice and clean. Again, the leather and everything's in good quality. The passenger door. And the seat again. No rips, no tears, no stains. Nice and clean. Show you some of the features of the vehicle now. First of all, we've got the brown leather topped pod. Car's done, as I mentioned before, 84,500 on 84,588 miles. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, lane guidance, hazard perception there, auto lights, auto wipers, self park, and then you've got your reversing camera. Put that back in. You've got your DAB, AM and FM radio, Bluetooth audio, sat navigation system, and then you've got your Bluetooth phone as well. You've got front heated seats, and then you've got dual climate. You can have one hot, one cold. EV mode, electronic handbrake, heel hold assist, leather armrest, 12 volt charging ports, and then you've got your glove box down here also. So it's got all the toys, everything you'd want. If you'd like to arrange a test drive or book a viewing on this car, please call our office on 01273 499 610. That's 01273 499 610. Alternatively, you can contact us via Auto Trader, and we'll come back to you as soon as possible. Or you can contact us via the app. By our website. We do have a 24/7 AI sales assistant there. You can contact us via that. You can ask all sorts of questions as well. You can ask it what the advisories was in the last MOT, what colour it is, how much it costs to run this vehicle for a year, how much this car will be worth in 3 years if you did 5,000 miles. We'll be able to answer all them questions, or if any other questions you may have, you can ask it. Also, check out reviews. We've got over 1,000 5-star reviews on Auto Trader, Google, Car Dealer Reviews, Yale, our own website, so check all them out. Also, award-winning dealership with Car Dealer of the Year, South England 2025. 5 highly rated awards from Auto Trader for customer service and quality. We've got Customer Service Business Awards in 2023. But to summarise, we have a beautiful Toyota CHR 2018 18 plate, done 84,500 miles, comes with full up-to-date Toyota history, having 8 services, just serviced at Toyota, just had a new MOT, comes with 6 months AA warranty, is ULEZ compliant, £200 a year to tax, 2 keys, finance available, fantastic car. Come down and see us. My name's James, we're Brown's Autos in Brighton and Hove. We'll see you soon.